And we're back. Here is one of the main characters of the hit stage play, I Want That Church Girl. This is Relic. Now, Relic, why don't you tell the people about your character?
Well, the name of my character is Nook. Nook in the play actually plays a role of realness, the type of guy that you find in a lot of neighborhoods who are, you know, I must say he's manipulative. He's not a really good guy, but at the same time, he's a smart guy. He did grow up in the streets, and he used a lot of his street tactics to kind of portray more in the business world, but at the same time, he still has some of the old ways inside of him. And again, he's, you know, like I said, he's a ruthless character, but at the same time, he's very smart.
So, Relic, can you tell us what you want people to get out of this play?
What I want a lot of people to get out of the play is that, you know, just recognize the realness, you know, of the play. It is based on some fiction characters, but at the same time, there's a lot of the things that are happening in the play are happening here and now that we have to be aware of, and we have, I love it a lot because it's doing something that a lot of people are afraid to do, and it's come out and talk about these situations that are happening in our communities and in our homes and with our children and with our families. And you know, it kind of pulls the curtain back and gives everybody a good wide view of what's really going on today in our society. And it gives us a choice, you know, because we're blessed with choices. So it gives you a choice to either do the right thing or do the wrong thing. And in the play, you'll get a chance to see what happens when you do the right thing, and also what happens when you continue to do wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, you can come check me out August 14th at the Civic Center. We're doing a gospel play entitled I Want That Church Girl. You know, it's going to be hot. We got some of the best people in the city, you know, acting and playing different roles, and it's going to be hot. Come check it out.
What's up, Gulf Coast? This is Corey P., co-host of Gospel Hits 1 and co-owner of Mighty Breakthrough Entertainment. Mighty Breakthrough Entertainment is a Christian company located on the Gulf Coast. If you're a Christian artist looking for artist development, contact myself at 251-234-8620 or contact us at our website at mightybreakthrough.ning.com. You can see all our events, everything that we are doing in the city of Mobile for the kingdom of God. I am Corey P., and this is Mighty Breakthrough. Peace.